Welcome back. Now the next menu over is the mailings menu. And you can use the mailings menu in order to prepare for an actual mailing with either envelopes or labels. You can input the data into those envelopes and labels using what's called a mail merge. Now to go into the Create tab, we can look at the parameters for creating labels and or envelopes that we can print with our document. And in fact, when you open either the envelopes or labels, you'll notice that each one has a tab right over for the other. So basically what we can do here is we can write in the delivery address. And what we can do here is we can put in a return address. Now if you have your Microsoft Word connected to an electronic postage system, you can add that postage here. You'll need to be signed in order to do that. What you'll want to do is to make sure that your envelope is fed into the printer, and then you can click the print button. Or what you can do is you can add this to the document, and then when your document is printed, if you have an envelope inserted into the printer at the right point, then the document will print onto that envelope. We can use the same process if we are going to use printable labels. We can do that in this tab. We can click the Options button to determine exactly how we want to orient our content onto our envelope. We can also determine how we want to feed the envelope into our printer depending on how it works best. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.